It's been very hot since this morning. I felt like the sound of water brings me some coolness. I practice in the morning on Saturdays. Maybe because of the heat, there seemed to be fewer people around. I guess it can't be helped. Thank you. Next time.